Hello guys, I'm going to share with you a simple formula which is used to grade marks of students. This is Vlookup. So Vlookup is just a short term for vertical lookup function. So this is our task today to grade marks of 10 students. So here is where I'm going to write the marks of 10 students. So the trick that you are going to apply is to have a table array. First of all, you need to construct a table array. And the table array defines grades of a student. So you just start in ascending order. You define in ascending order, starting from 0. So 0 to 29, the values or the numbers which lies between 0 to 29 inclusive are supposed to be F. The same applies to those numbers which lies between 30 to 44 inclusive, supposed to be D. And this continues to 100. So under this table array now, let us see how to grade these marks, how to write grades, and how to, to, to indicate these marks, and how to define these marks using a grade or using a VLOOKUP function. So first you need to start with equal sign, and then you just write VLOOKUP. So as you can see here, VLOOKUP looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default, the table must be sorted in an ascending order. So if that is being the case now, let us just double click here, and then we are going to, to specify lookup value. Our lookup value is in this column. This is our lookup value. It is in column C. So if our lookup value is column C, we are going to specify only the first marks. So you just click here, the first marks, and then we put comma. After lookup value, we are going, you just revisit direct table array. So table array is here. So you highlight from the first to the last. You just highlight all the values which are found in this table array. And then on your keyboard, just click F4 function. So you can change these values. So it means now these values indicate that the table of array won't change. It remain the way it is. So thereafter, you just put comma because you are guided by this formula here down. Column index number. So column index number is found in a table array. So column index number here, you just count from the first here, from L to N. So we have a 3 columns. So this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column. And this table array has got 3 columns with 5 rows. So because we are dealing with a vertical lookup function, we are just going to use table. We're just going to use column index number. So our column index number is, so we use this column 3 because we need this grade to appear in our this column function, this column grade to appear here. So it is in column 3. Just put 3 there, and then range lookup. So range lookup, we are looking for the values range lookup, we are looking for the values which lies between 0 to 29 inclusive and the rest of the values. So we are going to use approximate match because there are some of the values which lies between 0 to 29, between 30 to 44. So how can this be identified or can this be determined? So we apply approximate match. So you just put approximate match and then here you close the bracket and then you hit enter. So after there now we are done with the first step. So the remaining step on the right part, on the bottom of this rectangle is where now you drag here down so that you can refill the remaining grade. You can refill. So this is auto refill of the remaining grade. So I think from here now you can observe here something. Here there is no marks, but here indicated as student number 6 scored F, but while here there is nothing. So how to remove this error or how to correct this error? In order to correct this error, you go back to the first cell where you indicated your formula. So we are going to add a formula here that can remove F while there is empty. So is where now you just write if, we are going to use if function, if O is blank, if O is blank, if O is blank, it means if O is blank, which it means this cell, if O, the first cell is blank, O can be text, O is blank or text is text, is blank or is text, this cell, that is cell C2, you put 2 comma because it indicates from O up to text. Then you put comma here, and then if the first cell is blank or whether can be text, it must write empty, comma. Then unless otherwise, it can do vertical lookup for this function. Then you hit enter. Thereafter, you just double click here and then it can remove from here. I think now you can see, even if once you put, let's say, if it is blank, it can be empty. Maybe I can just write even a text. It cannot indicate anything here. So this is just a simple way to apply a vertical lookup function to grade marks of a student. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to Pelolay. Thank you so much.